Wait, before you scroll, listen to this. If you've ever felt like every online opportunity turns out to be another lie, I understand exactly how you feel. Because I was there too. Tired, frustrated, and completely done with online promises that never worked. I had sworn never to believe another so-called guru again. Until I stumbled on Charles Edrims' free webinar. Yes, free webinar. At first, I doubted him too. I saw his ads everywhere, Profit Automation Masterclass, 600 million earned online, and I thought, yeah right, another big talker. But something in me said, just watch one of his free webinars. That single decision changed my life completely. Within minutes of watching, I realized this wasn't the usual hype. Charles spoke with clarity, showed real numbers, real systems, and real results. You can even check him out yourself. He's publicly documented how he built over 600 million Nigerian nairas online in just a few years. No luck, no shortcuts, just a step-by-step system that works. Search for this man online now to confirm all I am saying here. This Profit Automation Masterclass is designed for teachers, doctors, students, entrepreneurs, and all professionals who are tired of working endlessly and still struggling to make ends meet. It's for people who want to turn their skills into consistent digital income that flows even while they sleep. And if you've been scammed before, please hear this. This one is different. There's transparency, proof, and structure. Charles has been where you are. He knows what it feels like to lose money and trust. That's why his mission now is to help you win, with honesty, strategy, and automation. In this masterclass, you'll discover how to package your existing knowledge into sellable online offers, build automated systems that generate income around the clock, attract real buyers, not just likes or followers, scale your income without losing your peace of mind. I'm living proof that his system works, and it all started with watching one free webinar. Don't overthink it like I almost did. Sometimes, one right step changes everything. If you truly want a different financial story, if you want to break free from disappointment, this is that moment. Click the button below to watch the free webinar now. Don't miss this webinar. Take action now before the advert is deleted. You will thank me later.